If you want to enable or disable vibration and haptics on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to settings. Next, in settings, we should be able to easily find sound and vibration, and we want to go there. And then in sound and vibration, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find haptics. So you can go into haptics and you can easily enable and disable haptics, vibration haptics on the phone. You can actually move left and right in here to adjust haptic intensity. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go, let's say, to the ringtone, and you can find the vibration for ringtone over here, so this can be adjusted. The same thing can be done with notification tone, so you can adjust the vibration for notification tone in here. And I believe, oh, and actually here at the top we can also find vibrate on ring and vibration intensity for calls and alarms, as well as messages and notifications. So as you can see, we have a couple of different options that we can adjust that are related to haptics or vibration. Leave a like and subscribe.